Yo, what is up, guys? It's X Gamer here, back with another video. And today, guys, I am on my Samsung device. Now, I know that I own an Apple device, but this is probably the easiest way to do what I'm about to do. I'm going to show you guys how to get any thumbnail that you would like, probably the easiest way possible. If you have an Android device, this will work for it. It's really easy. So essentially, the two apps that you need are Image Downloader, right here. Okay. Once you get Image Downloader, okay, you can look up just about anything. Okay. You also, on top of that, need YouTube Studio. Once you have YouTube Studio, you can do whatever you want with your videos. Okay, so for example here, if I go to Image Downloader, okay, I can look up a picture of behind the scenes. Okay, now all of these pictures you can look at and you can see different ones that you can pick from, okay? But you know, alright, so for say I want to click on this one, or I want to go and click, just for the heck of it, we'll click this one. Right here, nice and simple. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this little download arrow that's right here. Click that and it'll say download complete. From there you want to go click your home button, go back to YouTube Studio, click on whatever video you want to edit, click on the video, click on the little pencil in the top right corner, okay? After that, it'll say edit thumbnail. You're going to want to edit your thumbnail and then click custom thumbnail. Once you're on there, it'll appear all these different things. It'll appear as recent. You want to change that to images. Go to images, go to download, go to the picture that you picked, and you can move it around, drag it around, and do whatever you need to do with it. After that, you select the picture that you chose, and then you click save. After you're done with that, then it goes back, and that is your new thumbnail for your video. And it will permanently stay there, even if you go onto YouTube and you look it up on your channel. Say you go up to here, your channel, and right here, the newest video behind the scenes, and it worked. You can see that the thumbnails are all currently working. That's probably the easiest way that you can get a thumbnail. If any of you guys know an easier way, please let me know in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial of how to get a thumbnail, and have a wonderful night, guys. See you next time. Bye.